Matillion ETL version 1.73 is now publicly available to all customers. In this video, we'll show you what new features and improvements are included. On Matillion ETL for Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, and Google BigQuery, 2 new Workday components have been added. First is the Workday Extract component. This component facilitates ingesting employee, financial, and business-related data from Workday, allowing for the management of employee information and to make decisions with real-time information. The second new Workday component is the Workday Custom Reports component. This allows you to extract data from a Workday report or a Workday custom object. Within that report, you can specify the endpoint of that Workday report and filter the results based on the data. Supporting documentation for these Workday components can be found in the video description. On Matillion ETL for Delta Lake on Databricks, you can now run Matillion ETL transformation jobs on a Databricks job compute cluster. To do this, create a job compute configuration in Matillion ETL by using the job compute configuration option in the project menu. Here, enter the information that will be passed to Databricks to allow it to spin up the job compute cluster that your transformation job will run on. Then click Generate Configuration. This will put configuration details into JSON format for passing to Databricks. The JSON is displayed in the configuration field, allowing you to verify it shows the expected details. Click OK to save the configuration. Then right-click and choose Run Transformation Job on Databricks Job Compute. Also new for Matillion ETL on Delta Lake for Databricks, the S3 Unload component has been added. This component creates files on a specified S3 bucket and load them with data from a table or view. Also, the Azure Blob Storage Unload component has been added. These are the new features in Matillion ETL version 1.73. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest releases, and for more information on everything covered in this video, please visit the Matillion documentation site.